Okay folks, here we are. I want to demonstrate you what we have so far in the current Geeklist beta for Windows Phone 7 and 8. And yeah, this is the start screen you see after successfully logging on to Geeklist. And I want to show you quickly which features are implemented in this beta. So you can see already the high fives you have, the amount of cards you created, and the amount of micros you created personally. These are only your values and not values of other users. You can see here that you have an area of your cards, your personal cards, your micros, the current activity stream, and your links. And at least your informations, your account informations, which are not editable at the moment via the API. As soon as this is possible or will be possible, we will implement every other feature that is available. So let's go back to the Cards tab. So if you like to create a new card, you see this little icon over here. You press it and you enter the card header. So I created the first demo video for the Geeklist Windows Phone app. Okay, you press create and you see you get feedback that the new card was created, and you simply press OK. And you see that you get immediate feedback of the new card created. And if you take a look at the Geeklist page, the usual page you use via your browser, you can see that the card was created. So the next thing we can do, we can create micros. And it's the same procedure as for the cards. You simply press the button, enter it here, and enter the text, the micro title here. This is the micro title for the YouTube video. And you simply press create again. And you immediately get feedback. The best thing is you open your browser, log in into Geeklist, start the beta app on your phone, and you can see that every change is done immediately. Okay, so you created successfully the card. What you can see here is that, excuse me, the micro. What you can see here is if you return to the main page after creating the micro, is that the micros item is not shown up, but the start item. We have a little problem here with some specific components, third-party components, which will be solved hopefully very soon. And also the same problem is that you see this little black screen for about a half a second, which relates to the same problem related to the third-party components. So after this is solved, we will implement again the movement to the right section after you have created a micro or something else. So what's next? You can see that you have here your stream, the activity stream, which is the tab My Feed on the Geeklist page. And here you can see who followed everybody and anyone, or who created a new card or added a new link or something else. So what you can do here is, for example, you can browse everything, and the data is loaded page by page, and you can see that there are lots of activities, and maybe you like to see only specific activities, like who has created a new link, for example. Then you press here the filter button. You enter a search string like link, for example, and you see that it will be auto-completed, and you simply press the search button over here, and you can see that you see only links that have been added recently. So if you want to delete the filter, you simply delete your search string and press search again, and it will show up all items again. In future versions we will make the search a little bit more comfortable, or the filtering, so that you have predefined searches like show me all micros, show me specific micros of specific users, or show me specific links from specific users, or search the link content, and so on. And in the future you will be able to save your own searches and to execute them, and we will add some other goodies also. So you can leave that that little pop-up open or not. By clicking again on the filter icon, you can close it. So now you have an item, and you can perform different actions on this item. You can, for example, create a high five, or you can share it on a social network, which is currently not possible in the emulator to fire up this task. And or you can browse a link or something else which is related to the item. So for example, if I press browse link, you can see that the link is being opened, and you can access the page. And so if you like the stuff you have seen, you can press high five item, and it will be high-fived immediately. And it will return to the page, and you see, okay, this is this is a little error, but this relates to the third-party component problems we have currently, but luckily we are in the beta phase still. So you see what I've done is immediately visible, and yes, so that's it for now for the activities, and we will redesign it all a little bit, but not too much, to give you a better impression of the activities you have. So these are your links you have posted. These are only your links, and you see I have already lots of links here. So what we will do is to enable you to share these links also to Twitter and or Facebook or everything else. These sharing options depend on the accounts you have created on your Windows Phone, because you can connect them to Facebook or Twitter or something else. And after this task is fired up, you can share it to the specific social networks. But what I want to show you now is, if you click on the header, okay, we will edit this template a little bit to make it more usable. You can see that this is the link description, you see, and when you click on a link, you can browse it. Okay, so let me see when we return. Yeah, it's fine. So if you would like to create a new link, you can press here the simple the little button, and link title, for example Google, and HTTP google.com, and enter description. Then simply press create, and your new link will be created. So I highly want to encourage you to test everything and to give us feedback so that we can add or remove features you like. And I think that we will have also some little presents for everybody who attended, but until now we are not sure what we will give away. So please attend and give us your feedback, okay? Thank you really much.